choosing the right device can elevate productivity and everyday performance with ease. The best Lenovo laptop offers reliable speed, modern design, and user-friendly features that suit work, study, and entertainment, making it a solid option for anyone seeking dependable computing power. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Lenovo 20GB RAM IdeaPad. The Lenovo 20GB RAM IdeaPad offers a dependable everyday computing experience designed for users who want smooth multitasking without stretching their budget. Its 20 GB of high-bandwidth RAM ensures apps, browser tabs, and light productivity tools run without slowdown, while the combination of a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD and 128 GB eMMC gives you both speed and plenty of storage space. Powered by the Celeron N4500, it handles basic tasks like document work, streaming, and browsing efficiently, though it's not meant for heavy workloads. The 15.6-inch FHD display brings clear visuals with IPS-level viewing angles and a comfortable anti-glare coating. Windows 11 Home enhances the experience with better window management, improved security, and support for modern apps, making this laptop a reliable, easy-to-use option for everyday use. Number 2. Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3X. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3X stands out as a modern, lightweight laptop built for portability and all-day productivity. With its 15.3-inch 16:10 display, it offers more vertical workspace and impressive color clarity, making it ideal for creators, students, or frequent streamers. The metal chassis gives it a premium feel while delivering durability backed by MIL-STD 810H certification. This model features an advanced AI platform powered by a 45 TOPS NPU, enabling smoother multitasking, improved video calls, and optimized performance through intelligent system adjustments. The all-day battery, paired with rapid boost charging, makes it dependable for long commutes or travel. With expandable storage through an additional SSD slot, the Slim 3X remains flexible for future needs. Its Snapdragon X processor ensures efficient performance and strong battery life, making it an excellent choice for users who value mobility and modern features. Number 3. Lenovo IdeaPad One I. The Lenovo IdeaPad One I is a practical laptop designed for smooth multitasking and responsive performance thanks to its impressive 24 GB of RAM paired with a fast 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD. This combination makes everyday computing noticeably quicker, whether you're navigating multiple apps, managing documents, or streaming. Its Intel Core i5-1235U processor offers a strong balance of efficiency and speed, delivering reliable performance for work, study, and light creative tasks. The 15.6-inch FHD touchscreen adds convenience, offering crisp visuals and allowing intuitive interaction with apps and media. With Wi-Fi 6 support, connectivity remains fast and stable. Running Windows 11 Home with added enterprise-level features, the IdeaPad One I offers a secure, flexible, and user-friendly system suitable for both students and working professionals. Number 4. Lenovo Core i5 IdeaPad. The Lenovo Core i5 IdeaPad delivers a seamless, everyday experience with a focus on productivity and modern convenience. Powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core i5-1335U, it handles multitasking with ease, offering smooth performance for office work, studying, and entertainment. Intel Turbo Boost enhances speed when needed, while integrated Intel UHD graphics ensures clear visuals during streaming or video calls. Its 15.6-inch touchscreen display adds versatility, featuring full HD resolution and an anti-glare finish for comfortable viewing. Dolby audio-enhanced speakers and dual microphones support clear communication, and the webcam privacy shutter adds an extra layer of protection. With AI-driven Windows Copilot integration, everyday tasks become more intuitive and efficient. Finished in a sleek abyss blue design, this laptop balances performance, style, and practicality for everyday users. Number 5. Lenovo 256GB IdeaPad. The Lenovo 256GB IdeaPad provides a dependable and customizable platform ideal for students, professionals, and home users. Built with a responsive 2025 series processor that reaches speeds up to 2.1 GHz, it manages multitasking and productivity applications with ease. Its flexible memory configuration allows upgrades up to 36 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance even with demanding workloads. Connectivity is one of its strengths, featuring USB-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, HDMI in and HDMI out, and an SD card reader for broader device support. Equipped with a hardware TPM chip and lock slot, it offers enhanced security for business environments. Running on Windows 11, the system provides a fresh and streamlined user experience. The included wireless keyboard and mouse help create a complete, ready-to-use setup, making this IdeaPad a practical and efficient everyday laptop. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.